Okay, let's talk about project tab in lights here. It's very important. For doing this, I create a simple scene with you can insert follower. I will be explaining them more, but infinite follower that you can create just darker. Yeah, that's nice. So follower, infinite follower, and I create some box and sphere. Nice. And for more beautiful things, I create some material for that, changing the colors. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, we have two objects, and I insert a simple light. It's going to the center, and about that, nice. As you can see, we have it. For better seeing that, I holding my mouse and interactive render region to interactively render the region here. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, the project tabs say us, hey, light, include or exclude from lighting. It means the main mode of the default mode of it is exclude. It means exclude from lighting, from affecting light, what objects? As you can see, it's empty, so light affect all of the objects in the scene. Okay, exclude. If you want to say include, says include what? I want to affect which object in a scene. So as you can see, it's empty. So you have to first going to make a hard shadow. Going to the project. Which object do you want to include? Light says which object do you want to? I include it, or I mean affect it. For example, a sphere. Now, as you can see, the light affect the sphere. Or if you want to affect the floor, as you can see, just affect the floor with a shadow. Nice. Or exclude what? I want to exclude, don't show anything about the cube. Exclude it. And as you can see, it's black. And if a cube it has a hierarchy, as you can see, it has a simple hierarchy. The child, both of them are exclude from lighting. Here, if you turn it off, it does not affect its hierarchy because we just exclude the cube. This tool tells you, okay, don't mention to its hierarchy, its child, or if you want, all of the hierarchy. Nice. So this is one of this. And going to the light, this exclude or include shadow. It means, okay, you exclude everything of the cube except shadow, or except diffuse, or illuminate. So it's very easy. You can play with include and exclude. It's very easy. It's very important, and sometimes we use it a lot for compositing our scene. So you can introduce the light affect which object or not which object. Affect in whole scene or just one object. Nice. Hello my friends. To continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.